Your next experiment, push pull amplifier. You see the circuit diagram. You see here there is a two transistor. You see here back to back disconnected, and in this push pull amplifier there is a two transformer. This one or the one of the times transformer. This one is the second transistor. Means input side is connected input transformer, output side connected output transformer. This also you see here, this is your transformer, input and output side. These are the center term transformer. You apply the AC signal in this terminal AC signal to amplify a particular level. Means you connect to output. Output is measured from this one. Also you connect a DC voltage using a you connect connection is provided in this section. DC voltage is used here to connect a 4 volt. Here use a 4 volt positive and ground. Means input is connected in this terminal. Input is connected, and there is a DC voltage is connected, and output taken from this one. There is a transformer, two transistor, and two transistors here and two transformer. Now this section you see here, there is connected in proper way. You see here the function generator which provide the AC signal and come to across your input terminal. This one AC signal is provided this one side. Now this one is DC. DC is provided from this one section. Now output taken from this one your multimeter. This one is taken a output. Now there is also use a in this output there is use a resistance. That's called a load. By varying this one low knob to change your load resistance value. Means this one a resistance connected this across the output. Also there is a multimeter connected through this supply voltage. DC supply voltage is connected in the series form. Means positive terminal goes to this one positive terminal of multimeter. Next ground terminal goes to your again your positive of terminal of this one. This make it as a series form. Means output is voltage come across your this one multimeter, and current is measure from input side this one. To complete this table for measurement, means varying the different load. We means suppose we taken the 1 ohm here, then something DC voltage which is provided means 4 volt is fixed. You apply the 4 volt. Now measure the input voltage, measure the input current. Sorry, this one your input current. Input current how you measure? Means this one your input current provided by this multimeter. You is connected in the series form. Next one is the you complete this one means input power how is calculated? For suppose 4 volt this one can, and suppose 1 milliampere this one means 4 multiply 1 means this one come out your power input means voltage multiply current means this one go power in. Means power in means क्या हुआ? Means voltage multiply current, this one go power in. Now we measure the output voltage. Suppose there is come out the output voltage in a DSO, but here we use a multimeter. Then this uh, reading come out across this multimeter means output come in this multimeter. Now there is a resistance changes. This knob is changes. There is resistance value changes. We already given in the initial stage there is 1 ohm. We consider here 1 ohm means we set the resistance value means 1 ohm. Means how we measure? You remove this one and use a multimeter to counter change to resistance. Resistance indicate the fixed value that is 1 ohm. Now again the load resistance also changes by rotating this knob. Suppose next one come to 2 ohm means different output load resistance changes. Different output voltage come across this one, and current is also changes. Means we calculate the efficiency. Efficiency is the relation is come out power output upon power input. Power input is calculated from this one voltage multiplied by current means VI. Voltage multiplied by current means input power. Means output power how is calculated? Means whatever is come across the output in this multimeter means V square upon me R, V square by R. This one gives you output power. Means efficiency is how calculated? Output power upon my input power means both का product voltage multiplied by current V square by R. So those are the resistance. Means output power upon input power gives you efficiency. This one was the push pull amplifier. Now again repeated. This one is function generator come across output is provided the AC signal which come across your push pull amplifier input. As the input is come, there is two terminal of the your cable which come out from the function generator, positive and negative, and this one give your DC supply. This one your output is measure your multimeter. You see here also use a DSO in place of this one. There is a multimeter use as a ammeter. And this one is connected in series. Now this one is your resistance. By varying the different load, we measure different values.